This is our QLQ number 5 nylon zipper pin boss fixing machine. This model is our QLQ standard configuration model. This is our model PBMM. Okay, for this machine. So this zipper is from your side, which after gapping, fill sealing, and hole punching by our machine, which you bought from our us this time. Now let's see the working situation for both. Now the boss vibrator is here, and this boss is from your side, and the pin is from there. So let's see the result. It runs very smooth. And now let's see the result. Okay, so this is the back side, and see other side. This is the front side. Okay, and see another one. This is the back side. Look at the pin boss has been fixing already here. Has been fixing. Okay. So if they have anything, please feel free to contact us.